Inserting a diagram. Click Insert. Click Diagram. Select the style of the diagram that you'd like. Choose a style from the options that will appear on the sidebar. Once you've found one, click that selected style for it to insert itself onto your document. Double-click throughout your diagram to enter your own text and information. Continue editing your diagram and document. Click the Fill Bucket color icon to change the background colors of your diagram. Select the Text color icon to change the color of your text. Continue formatting your diagram the way that you'd like.